Let's get you some of the key events to watch out for. The first, of course, is tonight, almost midnight. That's the Fed, but Mangalam has got more. Mangalam.
You said it, the first thing that we'll be watching out for will be the outcome of the Fed meeting, to which our markets will be reacting tomorrow. So that's one thing that we'll be watching out for. And additionally to that, remember, it's a Thursday tomorrow as well, which tells you that it is Nifty weekly options expiry. It's been a good series for the bulls so far. So can that momentum continue tomorrow or not? Can we cross that 23,000 mark or not is something that we'll be watching out for as well. And that depends on what happens in the Fed tonight. More importantly, individual stocks will be in focus. We've been speaking about Manappuram Finance, the possibility of Bain entering in the company as well as one of the investors. So the board meet to consider fundraising via issuance of securities. We'll get clarity on that. There is another board meeting tomorrow as well of another financial institution, Indian Bank, the board meeting to consider fundraising as well. Then we'll keep an eye out on an IPO. After a very long time, we have an IPO that opens tomorrow. Grand Continent Hotels, price band at 107 to 113. And then we have a bunch of macro data to contend with too. Coming in from China, we do have, the Chinese loan prime rate data that will come by. There will also be the retaliatory tariffs on some Canadian agricultural imports, which will go into effect. And we'll keep an eye out on European data too, in terms of the Bank of England interest rate decision, the ECB economic survey or bulletin that comes by, and a bunch of other data points that we'll be watching out for, none as important as the US Fed meet outcome today.
All right, Mangalam, thank you very much for that. That's a comprehensive look at things to watch out for as we return tomorrow. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Markets Forward. From Winnie, me, everyone who put this show together, thank you for watching. More coming up in just a bit.